This is fried fish, and in this recipe, I'll share with you how to make fried fish. To be specific, how to make fried fish with flour to get the best fried fish. First, let me show you the type of fish I'll be using. For this recipe, I'll be using mackerel fish. I'll start by cutting my mackerel fishes into small sizes. You can choose to cut your mackerel fish into any size of your choice. Ensure you watch this video to the end because I'll also be sharing with you what to fry fish in and how long it takes to fry fish. There is so much to learn in this video. As I continue also, let me state this. If you would buy fish, this type of fish in Nigeria, I mean, if you want to buy mackerel fish in Nigeria, by Nigerian vernacular, mackerel fish is called Titus. Yes, especially when you go to the local markets. And if the seller in the local markets happens to be a Yoruba person, Yoruba people call this alaro. Now it's time to clean the fishes. I'll start by cleaning the fishes in water. I'm going to be cleaning these fishes twice. First, to remove all the dirt in it, and the second cleaning is just to do like a follow up type of cleaning to ensure everything is nice and neat. So to clean the fish, the first thing to do is to remove the bulk of the dirt. And as you see me do, once you push everything out from the middle, you pick up your knife. I'll pick up my knife and scrape whatever is in the middle. Don't forget, like this video, leave your comments and share this video. Now, let me show you how to clean fish head. The first thing to do, I'll proceed to cut off the fin of the fish head. And the next thing I will do is to remove the gill that is inside the fish head. This is very easy if you can just follow the step that you see in the video. It's so easy and it's really quick. But I know many people don't really like cleaning fish head because they think it's hard. It's not hard. Just follow this step and you will realize that cleaning fish head is not hard. I'm going to show you this step again by cleaning another fish head, and I hope after watching this you would feel more brave and courageous to try it. So first, with my knife, I'll cut off the fins. After cutting off the fins, I'll pull out the gill from the head. Once I pull out the gill from the head, to remove the other dirt or intestine, is very easy. I'll simply push all of those ones out. Then I'll pick up my knife and scrape off whatever may be left of the dirt in the fish. As you can see, it's not so hard. And I think I explained it quite well. So would you try this? Try this and let me know in the comment section, okay? Yeah. So if you've watched this video to this point, like I said earlier, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now on to the second batch of cleaning. For this cleaning, it's basically a follow-up cleaning because I have done the major cleaning earlier, which was the first cleaning. Now it's just to ensure that whatever may be left in the fish is taken out if there is any. I'm done with the cleaning and it's time to marinate. But first, I'll add the ingredients to marinate the fishes with. First, I'll add my seasoning cube. I'll proceed to add some salt. The next thing I will do is to add white pepper. If you've not added white pepper to your fishes, I think you need to try it. It's delicious. The next ingredient or spice is ginger powder. And I'll also be adding a little bit of nutmeg because why not if not? The next one is mixed herbs. This contains basil, oregano, and one other ingredient like that, but I think I forgot to. I'll leave it in the description box. My apologies. Anyway, I'll mix all of this up very, very well to ensure that the fishes are properly coated. So here is one thing with marinating fish. It doesn't take too long to marinate fish. It depends on how long you have to marinate fish. But marinating fish is something you can actually do quickly and you have a deliciously amazing type of fried fish. You know what I mean? So you can marinate your fish for 10 minutes and it will come out well. But for this recipe, I actually marinated my fishes for 20 minutes. But first, I had to ensure that all the ingredients got to every part of the fish before covering. Now I'll cover my bowl of fishes with cling film before I shake the fishes again, just to ensure that, all the ingredients are touching every aspect and corner of the fishes. After shaking the fishes, All I did was I simply allowed the fishes to rest and relax for 20 minutes to marinate in all the ingredients. And after 20 minutes, it's time to coat the fishes with flour. This are the fishes properly marinated. Now I'll start coating by putting the fishes in the flour. This part is really simple. It's not hard, and after this part, I'll show you what to fry fish in. Now, to cover or to coat your fishes in flour, you don't need too much flour. As you can see what I'm doing, all I'm doing is just rolling the fishes in the flour. Because the fish is wet, the flour would easily stick to the fish. So you don't really need to do too much. As you can see, I'm not doing too much. I'm simply rolling the fishes in flour just to ensure that all sides of the fish touch the flour. And voila, the flour is coating my fishes easily, easy peasy. Anyway, like I'll always say, in this fried fish recipe, mm, when you cook or when you fry your fish with this fried fish recipe, you can actually use this fish to make Nigerian stew. But that's a gist for another day. This is what my coated fishes look like, and I'll proceed to put the coated fishes into hot oil. So, in case you're wondering what to fry fish in hot oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but for this recipe, I'm using vegetable oil. Some people fry their fishes with palm oil. It depends on the oil you have available and your preferred taste. Another thing that I would do is I will ensure that my fishes have enough space to fry in the oil. This means that I will not be crowding my frying pan with too many fishes. After about 5 minutes of frying the fishes, the first side was already a lovely shade of golden brown, and I proceeded to turn, because I'll be frying both sides of the fishes. After turning the fish to the other side, I'll leave this fish again to fry for another 3 minutes. The thing is, once the first side of the fish has fried well, you may not need to fry the other side for an equal amount of time. If not, your fish may burn. Anyway, after about 3 minutes, my fried fish is ready and it's time to remove the fishes from the hot oil. If you've watched this video to this point, I'd like to say thank you to you. Yeah, thank you so much. And if you're a new viewer on this channel, this is the online cook channel where I post Nigerian food recipes, Nigerian food cooking videos that you will like. So if you are interested in Nigerian dishes and how to prepare them, you're in the right place. If you like to watch about Nigerian foods and the ingredients used to cook these Nigerian foods, you are in the right place. Welcome. These are the fried fishes. They were nice, they're lovely, they're delicious. Seeing this fried fish alone, I feel like drinking curry. But remember, good food should be enjoyed.